The Grayson Literacy Team in Grayson County serves adults primarily who are needing to be role models for their children. So we're reaching entire families with the program. We do one-on-one tutoring for people who have problems with their reading and have had all of their lives, and it has hindered them. And then we also have English as a second language classes. We feel that United Way has helped the Grayson Literacy Team in giving us financial support, of course, but then giving us some goals and opportunities to set professional standards for our program that we always have had. We help parents to reach out to their children, to help them not be dropouts in school, to communicate with their schools and be a part of their education, and then to help the parents to make good health choices and to be able to read in order to do that.